Today I'm going to show you how to wash your gym clothes properly so that they last longer, smell fresh, and keep their stretch. You want to begin with the pre-wash care. You want to air your gym clothes out immediately. Don't leave sweaty clothes in your gym bag. Hang them up to dry until it's time to do laundry. Next, you'll want to turn inside out. You'll want to turn inside out your clothes. This helps clean sweat and bacteria from the fabric's inner layer. You may want to pre-soak if needed. If extra smelly, soak in cold water with a cup of white vinegar or baking soda for 15 to 30 minutes before washing. When it comes to washing, you'll want to use a cold water temperature. Heat can damage elastic fibers. Detergents that you may use, you will have to use, or you should use, a mild detergent, ideally made for sportswear. Avoid too much detergent because it can trap odors. You'll want to select the cycle for a gentle or delicate cycle, so it won't ruin your clothes. One thing that I use to help with washing my gym clothes is enzymes. It helps break down the proteins, carbohydrates, and fats, enabling them to be washed away. Things that you'll want to avoid. Do not use fabric softener. It coats the fibers and locks in odors. Bleach. Do not use bleach. It breaks down stretchy fabrics. One thing that you should also take note of is to not overload. Give your clothes room so water can circulate around them well. When it comes to drying, it's best to air dry. Lay it flat or let it hang. This preserves the elasticity and fit. Avoid drier heat. High heat can shrink or damage stretchy material. If you must, use the lowest heat setting. Some extra tips that you may want to take note and perhaps use is wash after every use. Sweat breeds bacteria fast. Add half a cup of white vinegar in the rinse cycle once in a while to keep odors away. Wash similar fabrics together. Keep jeans separate. Keep towels separate from your gym clothes. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.